Okay, welcome to Ionic and Covalent Lab Part 2. First, we're going to take some distilled water and we're going to squirt it into one of our containers. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this conductivity detector. And here we have the two electrodes connected to a battery, connected to an LED. So I'll show you how it works. We take something that's metal, and we know that metals conduct electricity, right? And we touch the metal to the bottom of the electrodes, and look what happens. Can you see? Uh-oh. The LED lights up. That means it's making a complete circuit. That means it's conducting electricity. Once I take it off, no conducting electricity. So, if it blinks, it's conducting. If it doesn't blink, it's not conducting. So here we have distilled water. What's your hypothesis? Is it going to blink, conduct water, or not blink, not conduct water? Let's find out. What? It's not blinking. It's not blinking at all? Are you sure, Mr. G? Yeah, positive. Why is it not blinking, Mr. G? It's water. I thought water conducted electricity. Uh, this is distilled water or pure water. Pure water does not. That's interesting, Mr. G. What would happen if I add some number one? I think it's sugar, right? Or number two is sugar. So let's put some sugar in the water. So now we have some sugar water. Yum, yum, yum. Don't eat it. I'm dissolving it. And now we'll use our detector. What's happening? No blinky blinky. But Mr. G, sugar dissolved. Yeah, but it's not blinky blinky. It's not conducting electricity. Oh no. Well, we'd better wipe off our conductor with a paper towel and to try the next one. And we'll wipe off our stick too. The next one is salt. We'll take a scoop of salt and put it in there. And let's see what happens now. Stir up the salt. Now we have salty water, like going to the beach. It dissolves nicely. I wonder what's going to happen with salt water. Blink, blink, blink. Wait a minute, Mr. G. Yes. Salt dissolved in water conducts electricity. Let's try our unknown. Should we do the wax? Well, the wax is not an unknown, and you know wax does not dissolve in water, so we won't bother with that. But we're going to try, here's some plain water again. Plain water again. Just in case you think I'm being tricky, test. Nothing. Test. Nothing. So no tricks there. Unknown number one, which is also a powder. We put it in and we stir, stir, stir. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Blinky, blinky, blinky. Oh, so it dissolved a little bit, and now it conducts electricity. Unknown number one. Very interesting. It dissolves, and it conducts. Very interesting. And now, unknown number two. also a white powder. We stir it up. It's not really dissolving. It's just white swirling around. That's strange that it's not really dissolving. Maybe that means something. I don't know. You can see, look how white and cloudy it is. Let's see, does it blink? Teeny tiny bit, but not really. Mr. G, why is it blinking a tiny, tiny, tiny bit? Well, probably it's contaminated, but it's not blinking the same as this one, which is definitely blinking. So that is very conductive. Unknown number 1. And unknown number 2, not really, just barely. Little contamination, barely blinking. So what can we tell about the conductivity of our unknowns and our ionic and covalent compounds? Answer the questions.